Our objective for today is I will be able to infer that the day and night are not of 12 hours each all year round. Infer means अंदाज लगाना, और हमें क्या अंदाज लगाना है कि दिन और रात जो होती है पूरे साल भर में 12-12 घंटे की नहीं होते हैं. So, here is what we are going to find out today. Do we have 12 hours day and 12 hours night throughout the year? Let's see. Here I have a Marathi calendar, Kala Nirnay, for the month of May. Now let us have a look at this calendar. If I zoom in this calendar, I can see that there is a time that is given for sunrise and for sunset. The red color that you can see is the sunrise, and the blue and white color that you can see, that is the sunset. Now, beside the sunrise and the sunset, there is the time given. At what time the sun will rise and at what time the sun will set. So let us look at this particular day, 30th of May, which falls on a Sunday. The sunrise will be at 6 hours 3 minutes in the morning, and the sunset will be at 19 hours 10 minutes in the evening. Now by 19 hours 10 minutes it means 7 hours 10 minutes in the evening. 19 hours 10 minutes is the time given for a 24-hour clock. So 19 is to 10 means 7 hours 10 minutes in the evening. Now let us look at another day in the month of May. Let us see 4th of May, which falls on Mangalwar, that is Tuesday. Now as you can see over here, the sunrise is at 6 hours 11 minutes and the sunset is at 19 hours. 19 hours is according to a 24-hour clock. So according to 12-hour clock, it will be 7 p.m. in the evening. Now let us do an activity. So here's a table that you have to fill. Let us see. Some calendars give the times of sunrise and sunset for every day. Take such a calendar for this year and use it to complete the following tables. Now you can see that there is this month of May that has been given over here, and the dates have been given. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28 are the days for the month of May, for which you have to write the time when the sun rises and the time when the sun sets. मतलब ये जो डेट दी गई है इसके नीचे आपको मंथ ऑफ मे में कभी सनराइज होता है और कभी सनसेट होता है उसका टाइम लिखना है. ठीक है. Now let us see an example for 4th of May. Now I have taken this picture of 4th May. Now let us see what is the sunrise and what is the sunset time. Now as you can see, the sun rises at 6 hours 11 minutes in the morning, and the sun sets at 19 hours in the evening. Now 19 hours is shown as per the 24-hour clock. So according to 12-hour clock, it will be 7 p.m. in the evening. So now let us note down the time for sunrise. As we saw, the sun rises at 6 hours 11 minutes in the morning. So for morning we write AM. And the sun sets at 19. That means 7 p.m. in the evening. So now let us note it down over here. So as you can see, I have noted down the time of sunrise and sunset after looking at the date in the calendar. Sunrise, that is in the morning what time the sunrise, and sunset, that means in the evening what time the sun sets. So similarly, what you have to do is look at the calendar that I have provided for the month of May and for the month of November, and search for these dates that are given here and note down the times in the respective column. तो आपको क्या करना है, ये जो डेट दी गई है वो डेट आपको, मैंने जो आपको कैलेंडर भेजा है उसमें से आपको टाइम देखकर यहाँ पे लिखना है, सनराइज का और सनसेट का। इसके बाद आपको कुछ प्रश्नों के उत्तर लिखने हैं। जैसे कि पहला प्रश्न, किस महीने में सनराइज जल्दी होता है और सनसेट लेट होता है? दूसरा प्रश्न, किस महीने में सनराइज लेट और सनसेट जल्दी होता है? तीसरा प्रश्न, कौन से महीने में दिन बड़े होते हैं? चौथा प्रश्न, किन महीनों में रात बड़ी होती है? ये एक्टिविटी करने के लिए आप मम्मी या पापा किसी के साथ बैठकर डिस्कस कर सकते हो और फिर इन प्रश्नों का उत्तर लिख सकते हो।